Welcome back, listeners, to another insightful episode of Fueling Growth Marketing for Auto Repair Shops. I'm your host, Zane Taylor, and today we are diving into a crucial topic, navigating digital payments. I'm thrilled to have with us a true expert in the field, someone who has helped numerous auto repair businesses thrive through the adoption of innovative payment solutions. Let's welcome Mark Walters. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, Zane. I'm really excited to be here and looking forward to discussing how digital payments can transform the way auto repair shops operate.
Fantastic, and it's great to have your insights. Let's start with the basics. Why are digital payment solutions becoming increasingly important in the auto repair industry?
Certainly, Zane. The push toward digital payment solutions is largely driven by advances in technology, consumer expectations, and the growing demand for convenience and security in transactions. In the auto repair industry, it's vital because customers expect a seamless, efficient experience at every touchpoint. Offering digital payments not only meets these expectations, but also positions the business as a modern, customer-friendly operation. Auto repair shops by nature deal with various transactions daily, and managing these efficiently can dramatically enhance customer satisfaction and operational efficiency.
That's a great point. The expectation for convenience certainly seems to be a driving force in many industries. Could you give our listeners an overview of the latest seamless payment technologies specifically available for auto repair shops?
Of course. Today's payment landscape is incredibly dynamic, offering several options tailored to the diverse needs of businesses like auto repair shops. Some of the latest technologies include mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Wallet, which allow customers to pay using their smartphones. There are also various contactless payment methods using NFC technology. Think tap and go with credit or debit cards. Additionally, online invoicing platforms enable auto repair shops to send digital invoices that customers can pay quickly through a link. These solutions are all about minimizing friction during transactions, which is particularly beneficial in a fast-paced environment like auto repair.
It's fascinating how integrated our mobile devices have become in financial transactions. Let's delve into the benefits. How does offering diverse payment options enhance both the customer experience and potential revenue for auto repair shops?
Offering diverse payment options has a multifaceted impact. Firstly, it enhances the customer experience by giving them flexibility and choice in how they pay. This reduces checkout time and alleviates the stress of figuring out an acceptable payment method. Secondly, it captures a broader customer base, including tech-savvy clients who prefer digital transactions over traditional ones. From a revenue perspective, smooth payment processes can lead to faster transaction times and potentially more customers through the door, as people are more likely to choose businesses that accommodate their payment preferences. Furthermore, these options can reduce the likelihood of missed payments, as methods like online invoicing and automatic payments streamline the payment process.
So true. And a seamless process surely encourages repeat business as well. Now, for many shop owners, the big question is implementation. How should they go about adopting these digital payment solutions effectively?
Great question, Zane. Implementing digital payment solutions requires a thoughtful approach. Firstly, shop owners should assess their existing payment infrastructure and determine what upgrades or changes are necessary. It's crucial to choose a payment provider that aligns with the shop's needs, offering integration with their current point-of-sale system, for example. Training staff to become proficient with these new technologies is equally important, as they are the ones interacting with customers and handling transactions. Transparency with customers regarding new payment options and addressing their questions can also make the transition smoother. Regularly checking in on these systems and customer feedback will help catch any issues early and ensure a polished payment experience.
You covered some vital steps there, especially about staff training and customer communication. Now, transitions are often fraught with challenges. What are some common concerns or obstacles that shop owners face when moving to digital payments, and how can they overcome them?
Moving to digital payment systems is not without its challenges. Security is a major concern for many business owners. They worry about data breaches or fraud. Choosing a reputable provider with robust security protocols is crucial in mitigating these risks. Another common hurdle is the perceived complexity and cost of implementing new systems. However, many modern solutions are quite cost-effective and user-friendly, and the long-term benefits often outweigh the initial investment. There's also the challenge of breaking old habits. both for employees and customers, but a comprehensive training program and gradual introduction of changes can ease this transition.
Security and costs are definitely major considerations. It's good to know that viable solutions are available. Once a shop has implemented these systems, how can they effectively market their new payment options to attract more tech-savvy clients?
Marketing new payment options means highlighting the enhanced convenience and flexibility they bring. Clear communication is key. Ensure your website and social media channels announce the new payment methods prominently. Signage in your shop can inform walk-in customers. Consider offering promotions or discounts for customers who use digital payment options, which can incentivize them to try it out. Also, sharing testimonials or case studies on how these options have simplified the payment process will resonate with tech-savvy clientele. Remember, the goal is to reinforce your shop's image as an innovative, customer-centered business.
Incorporating these marketing strategies can definitely help capitalize on the new systems. Let's talk more about the customer experience. How does a smoother checkout process improve the overall customer experience?
A smoother checkout process directly impacts the customer experience by reducing wait times and minimizing the stress involved in completing a transaction. We've all been in situations where a clunky checkout causes frustration. These negative experiences can deter customers from returning. By streamlining payments through digital solutions, transactions are quicker, allowing staff to focus more on the customer relationship aspect rather than being bogged down by payment processing. This positive experience can enhance customer satisfaction and foster loyalty, encouraging them to return and recommend your services to others.
Absolutely, positive experiences can create lasting impressions. From your experience, can you share some real-life examples of auto repair shops that have successfully implemented digital payments and the impact it had on their business?
Certainly, Zane. One example is a mid-sized auto repair shop that implemented a range of payment options, including contactless payments and mobile wallet solutions. This move not only attracted more young, tech-savvy customers, but also increased throughput efficiency at peak times due to faster processing. Another auto repair shop integrated an online booking and payment system, allowing clients to schedule services and pay in advance. This convenience factor not only improved their customer experience, but also contributed to more consistent cash flow as clients were more likely to complete transactions when they could do it with just a few clicks. In both cases, adopting these technologies positioned the businesses as leaders in customer service within their local markets.
These examples clearly show the tangible benefits of integrating digital payment systems. As we look towards the future, what potential impact do you foresee on revenue growth for those who adopt seamless payment solutions?
The potential impact on revenue growth is significant. When auto repair shops adopt seamless payment solutions, they not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also increase operational efficiency and competitive edge. Faster transactions mean serving more customers within the same time frame, boosting sales volume. The improved customer experience can also drive customer loyalty and repeat business. Moreover, digital payments can expand the customer base to include those who prioritize technological convenience, further contributing to revenue growth. Thus, these solutions create a multiplier effect that not only optimizes current operations, but also sets up the business for long-term success.
That's a compelling vision for growth. As we wind down our discussion today, what would be your main call to action for our listeners when it comes to evaluating and upgrading their current payment systems?
My principal call to action would be for auto repair shop owners to take a close look at their current payment processes and ask themselves whether they genuinely meet the expectations of today's consumers. It's essential to invest time in understanding the available technologies and consider the integration of those systems into their operations. It's not just about keeping up with trends, it's about positioning the business for sustained success and improved customer loyalty. Start small if needed, but begin the shift towards digital to keep your shop relevant, competitive, and customer-friendly.
Thank you, Mark. Your insights have been invaluable today, and I'm sure our listeners have gained a lot to consider for their businesses. This wraps up another episode of Fueling Growth, Marketing for Auto Repair Shops. We explored the importance of digital payment solutions, the technologies available, benefits to customer experience, implementation strategies, and real-world success stories. We hope you're inspired to evaluate and potentially transform your payment processes to harness these benefits. Don't forget to tune in next time for more strategies to drive more calls and cars to your shop. Until then, keep pushing forward.